Hello, this is Peter out here at Crane Creek Regional Park in Sonoma County. I want to take you out for a little hiking trails. There are also biking trails, and they have Frisbee golf out here. So come on along with me and take a look, and let's check it out together. Gotta admit, that's a pretty cool looking tree there. Thanks for coming out today and sharing the hike. I hope I showed you some trails that you might enjoy or even play a little Frisbee golf. Thank you again. Hope to see you next time. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.